Hi, Jeremy Kepper here with Gary Frazier, who's going to demonstrate our JFI of the week, which is a boxing jig we built. Prior to this, you can go ahead, Gary. Prior to this, Gary had to take, after trimming the parts, Gary had to set them down on the floor. He'd do 6 at a time. You put the cart down, go over there, grab a hardware kit, set a hardware kit into it. Yeah. And then he'd tip the box up on end, I believe, and slide it in and box it up. So as you can see, it's not very ergonomically friendly. So the carts themselves weigh about 15 pounds, and the hardware kit probably weighs another 15-20 pounds on top of that. So with this jig now, Gary's able to take the hardware kit, set it into the dock part at a working level, and then slide it into the box. No bending over, no pain. There you have it, thank you.